Hello students, let us discuss another problem on relations and function. A relation R on n, the set of natural number, is defined as R is equals to x comma y ordered per x comma y, and y is defined as 10 minus 2x, and x comma y belongs to natural number. List the elements of R and determine whether R is symmetric and transitive. Now in this case a relation is defined on set of natural number and is defined as x comma y, and whatever natural numbers we are taking, it should satisfy this equation, that is y equals to 10 minus 2x. And they have told us to list the elements of R, and also we have to check whether R is symmetric and transitive. Now as you know, when R is symmetric, if a comma b belongs to R, then b comma a should belong to R, then R is symmetric. And about transitive, if a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R, then a comma c should belongs to R, then R will be transitive. So to find all these things, let us list the elements of R. So let us take x as 1. If x as 1, then let us substitute x as 1 in this equation. 10 minus 2 into 1 is 10 minus 2, that is 8. Next, let us take natural number 2. 10 minus 2 into 2, that is 10 minus 4 is 6. Next, let us take element 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Next element, let us take 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. And if I take 5, then 10 minus 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 is not a natural number. So I cannot include 5 comma 0. So we have to stop here. So these are the elements of R, and we need to check whether R is symmetric and transitive. Now for any a comma b belongs to R, which does not imply b comma a belongs to R. Why? Because if I say 1 comma 8 belongs to R, then 8 comma 1 should be present in the set. If I say 2 comma 6 belongs to R, then 6 comma 2 should be there. If I say 3 comma 4 belongs to R, then 4 comma 3 should belongs to R, and so on. Therefore in general I am writing for any a comma b belongs to R does not imply b comma a belongs to R, and therefore R is not symmetric. Now let us check whether R is transitive or not. So I'll take an example here to show that R is transitive or not. So for example, if I consider 4 comma 2 ordered pair, so here I know that 4 comma 2 belongs to R, as well as 4 comma 2 and 2 comma 6 belongs to R. You all agree? 4 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 6 belongs to R. But what is the condition of transitivity? If a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R, then a comma c should belongs to R. So in that way, if 4 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 6 belongs to R, then 4 comma 6 should belongs to R. But is there 4 comma 6? No. So but 4 comma 6 does not belongs to R, and therefore R is not transitive. So we have listed the elements of R, then we have checked the relation whether it is symmetric or not, as well as we have checked whether the relation is transitive or not. Same way, this relation is not reflexive, as A comma A does not belongs to R because all elements are distinct. So this relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive.